What's good, y'all? How y'all doing? Stock Sundays, episode 49. It's your boy Aristotle, R with the Rari. Everybody do me a favor and comment where y'all from. Y'all know what time it is. We got Croxy live from Puerto Rico. Who else we got? Y'all tap in. As we get those loaded, make sure y'all having a blessed Sunday. All right. And we'll get IG Live on here as well. All right, let's see what we got, folks. We got Hawaii, we got Denver, we got Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Fort Campbell, Phoenix, Inglewood. All right. If you made money, tell me how much. Put a yes and how much. If you made money from watching Stock Sundays, put a yes and tell me how much. All right. So we live on YouTube and IG. All right. We gonna do some learning today. We're gonna watch some charts. We're gonna so that's basically what we're gonna do. If you live on Stock Sundays and you just now tapping in, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much review the market. I'm gonna tell you what I'm buying and selling this week. We're gonna go over some trades, everything, the week, what to look out for this week, whole bunch of stuff. And then you guys get to watch my trades, right? Now let's see how much we got. We got Los Angeles, we got Bay Area, Decatur. Somebody said yes, 5K from Stock Sundays. That's dope, just from watching a free show. Who else made money? 1,000 in 1 week. That's what's up. Let's get it. WBA printed. Big facts from last Stock Sundays. All right. Yes, 5,000. Another person, 5,000. Yes, 12K this week. Stock Sundays. That's what's up. There we go, folks. So you guys see the proof is in the pudding. Yes, 1K this week. I love it. All right. Long Island, New Orleans, Cleveland, Alabama, Kentucky, Maryland, Tampa. Y'all see that? So we getting money on Stock Sundays. We got 700 viewers. Now we got 1,200 viewers tapping in all over the world. That's so dope. But anyways, you guys' time is valuable. So let's get into it, folks. So we got a lot of viewers tapping in from around the world. All right. So let's see what we got. First thing first, SPY. SPY that's the index, the ETF. So if you guys don't know, this is an exchange traded fund. All right. And SPY pretty much makes the market run. So this is the Bitcoin of the stock market, pretty much. The S&P 500. So this thing has now broken resistance. Now remember, resistance is your ceiling and then support is your floor, correct? So this thing broke past the ceiling, as you can see, SPY. So what does that mean? That could possibly mean we're getting another leg up to the 550s, 540s. Yeah, probably the 540s, right? We're probably going to get another leg up to the 540s, all right? And it could be what is called an election run. So prior to presidents running for an election, let me show you guys. Let me see if I can Google it. I think we talked about this on Stock Sundays already, but election stock market run. So this right here, are they going to talk about it? Key takeaways. Important to maintain. Nah, they ain't going to talk about it. It is what it is. But just know that there's a such thing that's an election run where before an election, the stock market likes to run. And based on my experience, that's kind of been true. Now that I've been trading for I've traded through 3 presidents so far. So that's dope. 3 presidential elections. Now let's talk about my favorite setup. Before we do, let's go check on Bitcoin real quick. What are you doing, Bitcoin? We always gotta go check on these guys. So this thing is still hovering, trying to not reject highs, that box area is highs. So hopefully it comes back down. Maybe this would be an election run too, so I don't know. But yeah, Bitcoin is really trying not to have a third rejection, but I personally hope it does. It deserves to come down. All right. Let's keep going though. So let's go look at some stocks. I personally think stocks like Meta, are going to print. Meta has this new business model verification that's coming out where they are going to charge like $300 a month for people to put links. I think you get like 8 posts to put your link, and it's $350. I think mostly all businesses will be buying this. So out of like the 5 million businesses, I personally believe like, yeah. So let's just say 5 million. Let's just do some calculations real quick, folks. 5 million people are buying a $350 subscription. So that's going to be crazy. And I know as soon as they sell, it's going to happen. 5. So let's do the math real quick. That should be 5 million times 350, right? I don't even know what number that is. Let's 1, then 3. It looks like 1.7 billion. Right? So they're going to add billions, another billion, like another billion. I'm just letting y'all know it's coming, Meta. So I personally think this stock is just going to keep going up. And if it doesn't and it pulls back, if it gives you the grace of God, like if this thing pulls back by the grace of God, just know, that's a blessing, because this thing is it should go to 1,000. I'm just being honest with you guys. This is the one company. Now, granted, I'm glad I bought these guys down here. I bought these guys at this green line. So I'm good. But boy, I don't see them stopping. That's going to add so much money to them. And then AMD, we did call AMD. So who remembers this bull flag that we called? Y'all know what time it is. I called the mess out of AMD last Stock Sundays. We don't even have to, episode 48. Go check it out, folks. I don't even got to reiterate, because we went over this a few times. But man, I made so much money. I made 10,000. You know what I'm saying? I love making 5 figures. And that's something I call for free on Stock Sundays. So, I love making money off. And by the way, this account is now at a little bit over what I made, 140,000. So yes, I started with 35K and now I'm up 140,000. So I've made 100K more, a little over 100K more than I initially put in, and that's all off trades that I called in the chat. And yeah, we made so much money, 100% trade on AMD. And remember, I called this, folks. I called this, when was this? This is in the chat, by the way, my private Discord. We called this 513, and today is 519. So this wasn't long ago. 513, we called AMD, and we called a bull flag. I told them it's a bull flag on the 4 hour. Because something about me, I like all time frames. And if you know Stock Sundays, we do top down analysis. So we go to the 4 hour chart. Why didn't it do it? 4 hour, there we go. 4 hour chart. So there we go. See that bull flag? So if you guys don't know what a bull flag is, I was looking up shapes. Bull flag. See that? This is a bull flag, folks. So this right here is a bull flag. This is the flagpole. This is the flag channel. Here's the breakout. See that? So we got in during the channel, and I pretty much projected it to break out, and it did. So, right here, we got in right here inside of the channel, and it broke out like 2 days later, and then it went parabolic for like 3 days, and we banked. And now I'm a legend, and I had the most legendary week, and then that's how I made 10K off this stock. I put in about, here's the thing, how much did I put in? I think I put in about 15K. So I left 5K on the table, which I was kind of pissed about that. I was like, damn, I should have held that motherfucker longer. But after I made 10,000, especially on something I didn't think I would make 10,000 on that quick, I always kind of just get out, because why not? It's another 10K. Don't leave it on the table. But anyways, let's talk about some of my favorite setups. Shopify would still be one of them. Shopify would be my favorite. If it came down a little bit more, I'd be happy, but so far it looks like it's ready to be bought. Oh, and if you made money off of AMD, that's dope. Somebody said I got 92% on that one. I think they talking about AMD. Yeah, we getting money. Shopify would be my number one. Even though I wanted it to come down a little bit more to this demand zone, it appears to have like a little bottom here that's very attractive. These two pin bars right here look like they ready to just pop up. And the market overall just look like it's going to continue. Like Nvidia looks like it wants to go past highs and reach 1,000. Nvidia still looks like it wants 1,000. It has not touched 1K yet. So, you know, yeah, it looks like it's ready. Look like it want to touch that line right there. To me, even Google looks like it's setting to keep going. I have all of these long-term. Apple. I would say Shopify would be my favorite. My second favorite would be some that we already in. Oh, and shout out to all the AbbVie haters. Where y'all at now? You know, where y'all at now, by the way? We're up. We making money on AbbVie. What's up with all the AbbVie haters, man? Remember that? Y'all like, oh, Aristotle first loss. Still have not taken a loss, folks. Have not taken a loss in 7 weeks. All right? Since April 3rd. April 3rd is my last loss. All right? So, yeah. Tap in. You know what's going on. AbbVie, I still think will take off. It has finally broke resistance. So, I'm thinking this thing will at least keep going. I'm looking for a continuation. It was one more that I was watching where I was like, this thing just broke out. Let me think. It wasn't Uber. Who was it? I personally like Shopify. That would be my favorite. AbbVie for a continuation would be my favorite for AbbVie. Let me show y'all what y'all need to do for AbbVie, and I'll show y'all what y'all need to do for Shopify. If AbbVie breaks above 166.5, it should keep going. So above 166.5. Shopify above 58.7 is the entry for Shopify. Above 58.7. And I think Shopify should go. Those will probably be my top two. Shopify, AbbVie for continuation. And I think AMD personally will keep going as well. AMD looks good because it just broke this resistance right here. I think AMD will still keep going. Where's the 100 MA? I think it rejected the 100 MA though. Yep. That's the only thing right here, but it appeared to keep going from what I see. But we're going to day trade. Next week isn't going to be like unless we get some pullbacks. It was this Berkshire Hathaway. It looks like good for continuation. I like to go down my watch list and just keep seeing until I see something. Right now, I don't really see much. Let me think. Oh, WBA would be a good one too. This one could be a good one that could still continue. This one could be a nice swing. It's still kind of low. It's at the 18 mark, had bullish divergence, huge bullish divergence. I think could still kind of take off. So some of the same stocks we've already been trading. But Shopify, WBA, and AbbVie would kind of be my favorites. The rest are kind of speculative. Not really feeling a lot of these. Who was it? Was it one more? ExxonMobil still looks good too. ExxonMobil. I would say those three would be my favorite. I forgot to tell you guys this part too, what's going on. So the week ahead, May 20th through 24th, we don't have any major reports. Release of minutes from the April 30th May meeting, Federal Reserve. Wednesday might be something. So Wednesday will probably be the only big data. But CPI came in on some great numbers, so we could get continuation. CPI is Consumer Price Index, the inflation numbers. I really don't get into, too much data points, you feel me? But yeah, man, if you guys, I have not lost a trade since April 3rd. So if you guys want to tap in, if you're new to Stock Sundays, I'm going to answer questions after this. But I got to do my advertisement because this is the best show ever, and I give you guys free plays. So you guys got to allow me to advertise. So if you guys are tapping in and want to learn and you are a beginner in the stock market, It's only $35, just $5 a day. You get access to everything, all the knowledge I have for 1 week. Comment trial if you're on IG Live. Click the link in the description, or I'll pin the link in the comments if you're on YouTube Live. And come to the first 6 steps. Come to read first, and then read the 6 steps, and you're good. That goes for people who are a beginner. I got people in prison who making money off this, so you can too as a free person. The people in prison can follow directions. They know they got a cell phone. All they did was go through this. Literally go to read first, go through the 6 steps. None of you are slow. All right, if you think you're too slow to learn the stock market, you are not. If you got a brain and 2 eyes and the ears and all that, you can learn this. Come learn, get your learn on. It's only $35. And we have the best signals. That's another thing. We have the best knowledge, an easy step process, and the best signals. And I'm making real dough, and my people are making real dough. You can go through the testimonials, you can go through the games. You're gonna see us light up the game channel. You feel me? So think about it. If a pandemic happens one more time, how will you survive? My people will survive. So think about it. The pandemic hit right now. This person could take care of their family this week. See that? This person's straight, and they in honey drip. They could get fired tomorrow, and this is good money. Think about it. They make more than a person who make $20 an hour. That's $362. It probably only took this person a few hours to make this, and $20 an hour times 8 is what, 160? So all they got to do is average over 160 a day, and they don't need a 9 to 5. So this person right here is set. All right. This person is set for a day to take care of their family if another pandemic happens. This person made 1,000 in a week or in a month. I mean, they got a little bit more, but still, at least they making some extra money. That's better than, this person too. Account is up 39%, 40%. See what I'm saying? And even in a week, in a month, this person account is up 61%. So that's still good. In 1 month. Who is this? Another person. They could do, everybody starts somewhere. But one thing about Honey Drip is we don't do no dick sizing. So that means like, if whoever you are, look, AdV and Shopify, that's pretty dope. This person is up on AdV. You can go through all of our games and you're going to see people making money. You feel me? I'm talking about so many. Who is this? What is this? This person is up 32% past week. So everybody getting money. You feel me? We could just go down the gains line. All you're going to see is people accounts up. So if you aren't in Honey Drip, you aren't on the winning team right now. This person could take care of their family. And that's all this is about. And we don't do dick sizing, meaning like we don't care who makes more than who. So if you want a community where you're not judged and no one's worried about you making more money than them, it's not a competition. We don't believe in that. We're mature adults. This is the grown chat. So this is for the grown traders. 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking like, oh, I ain't going to make as much as you and y'all going to judge me, we don't do that here. We got people who make small money too. This person made $28. He's still a honey dripper. We going to help him get better. We only as strong as our weakest link. So if you're looking like, damn, everybody making money, will that be me? It will be you one day, and we'll help you come up. So if you're not on our level, we help you come up. This person account, oof, sick with it. Up 12,000% past month. Shit, 3 months, almost 12,000%. That means they started with like $20. Look at what honey drippers do, man. And look, that's the small account challenge. This lady started with $20 damn dollars. Like $15. Shit. That is crazy. Yeah, that's insane. And look what she said. Thanks to the small account challenge. See that? So people be starting with little money. You feel me? This person is up. Look, AdV. Everybody making money off AdV. See what I'm saying? AdV. See that? So the stocks that I'm calling, people making money off of. What is this? AdV. This person right here prints on everything. He gets in everything. This dude right here has to be up like 50K. I'm talking about, I'm not even joking. Like this dude right here, he makes at least $2 grand off anything I say. Like minimum. Like whoever this guy is has to be up. He probably quit his job. I'm gonna be honest with you. Whoever DGM at 11, I can even search like his name, all you gonna see is this dude posting games. You know what? Let me show y'all proof, because y'all think I'm bullshitting. Watch this. What's his name? DGM in the games channel. Oops. Hold on, let me type it in real quick. I want to show y'all, bro. This dude right here has to be up. Look at this dude. Told y'all. I think we could click this too. See that? That's $1,000. This dude doesn't do anything but print on everything I say. See that? I don't lie, do I? Look, another one. 2,000 on AV. He prints on everything I say. Look. That's AV again. What's this? This shop. Let's find another stock. AMD. See that? Two grand on AMD. This dude has to be up at least 50K. Just off what I say. Dollar General. See that? 2,800. This dude is fucking printing off everything I say. Look, Starbucks. He's up two grand. Holy fuck. This dude definitely quit his job. What the hell? Hey, bro, you owe me money. I'm just playing. I'm about to tax his ass. Look at this. This dude, literally, he gets in everything I say, and he's up on everything. Look, four grand on Apple. This dude is not fucking playing, dude. Whoever this dude is. And that's all in Robinhood. He gets in every, look, you see how he keeps saying King BR? Look, see that? He gives me credit for this dude, holy shit. I bet I'm his hero. This dude like, boy, this nigga right here goddamn making me retire. He probably love me. He probably got a shrine or some shit. This dude is making a killing. Look at this shit. I'm about to tax him. I'm about to hit him up and be like, hey, bro, fuck my money at. Look, HD, 1,000. That's what I said. He got to be up like 6 figures. Oracle. Look how much shit. God damn. Y'all think I should tax him? This man is up big time, bro. One thing I do is I don't forget niggas who making money. This dude getting everything I get in. Somebody said, that's crazy. Right. That man make literal 1K minimum off everything I say. So like I said, y'all, that's proof in the pudding. Is that not proof? Somebody said, why tax him? Nah, I'm playing, y'all. I ain't finna tax him. He good. Yeah, this dude is nuts, dude. I know for a fact he got a shrine somewhere or some shit. But anyway, let's answer some questions. Ask me some questions. Comment trial if you want to be like him, because that guy is not bullshit. Somebody said, I do too. I take all your plays. Yeah, for sure. Somebody said, stall him out. Somebody said, God damn, right. One thing about me is I don't lie. Comment trial if you want to tap in like him, pay you $35. It's only $35, and this man making, think about it, folks. This man is paying me $125 a month, and he made already like 50K this year. So y'all asking me, why should I pay you that, Aristotle? Think about it. I just showed you proof of somebody who paid $125 a month. All right, what do you think of FedEx? I looked at it. I don't really like the chart for now. Somebody that said, that's me. Make 30K a month. Oh, that's you? Oh, that is him. Durga Magar. Is that you? Is that your name? It looks like that. It looks like it matches. He said that's him right here. He said he make 30K a month from me. But look, it does match his DGM. Yeah, that does match his name. That is him. He said that's me, 30K a month. Look, if you look at the name title, what it say? DGM. That is him. He makes 30K a month from paying $125. Look at that. He's on a trial plan. That $35 plan that y'all on, that's him, DGM. See that? You see his initials, DGM, that's him. All right. Ari, is it 1,000 good to start with? Yes, it is. That's not a bad start. No cap. I've been in Honey Drip 2 months and made $7K from day trading and his swing trades off $200 a month. See, somebody pays $200 a month and he makes well over that. Somebody said shop better print. I mean, if it don't, then you need to be in Honey Drip to figure out what to do for the next play instead of freeloading. By the way, this is all my opinion, folks. This is not financial advice. I be forgetting to do the disclaimer. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I just so happen to be a great trader. Now, granted, I'm good at what I do, but play these at your own risk. If you don't know what you're doing, you just don't know what you're doing. But you better join Honey Drip so I can guide you through what you're doing. All right? Let's answer some questions. Can you start with $250? You could technically start with anything. Just got 125 subscription. Been a week and won swings all last week with the admins and Honey Drip. Big facts. Ari, explain how the small account challenge works. The small account challenge works like, basically, I'm going to show you. All right, so the person can see. So somebody asked on IG Live how the small account challenge works. So for one, how the small account challenge works is I literally tell you what I'm in and out. And I also get in my large accounts, okay? So, for instance, if you go in and you say from me, let's just say King BR, right? King BR, that's me. All right, so you search right here, go to King BR, and then you go to AMD. So how it works is, and you can always search in my Discord, anything I say. All right, boom, you jump to it. So look, see that? So how it works is I tell you I'm in 1 contract, 2 contracts, whatever. I'll tell you the amount of contracts I'm in, and you could basically just get in. If you like got a little bit of money, you could just get in. I'll tell you I'm in 1 contract at AMD, and I'll give you the rationale. So basically, I'm growing a small account right in front of you. And I'm telling you how much I'm paying for, and I'm telling you exactly what to buy. So that's really what it is. And then we also do classes. So I do classes on the weekend. Like this weekend, I did a class on a private class on how to buy the dip. So whenever I see that there's an issue, I'll host a class about it. You get what I'm saying? So that's what this network is about: learning and earning. You get what I'm saying? So that's all this network is about. It's so hot in here, ain't it? I think all these lights coming at me. Man. But yeah, that's really what Honey Drip is about. Learning and earning. All right, let's see what else questions we got. We up all night with it. What is your rule for entering swings on breakout trades, and what indicators do you rely on most? So this person question is, what is my rule for breakout swings? So I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not really a breakout swing guy. I'm more of a buy the dip guy. So I personally will go lighter on breakout swings than I do with buying dips. I like breakout day trades more than I like breakout swings. All right, just me personally. You know, everybody has their own thing going on. But I would personally go lighter on breakouts. Breakouts aren't my strong suit. I'm a dip buyer. Been a member 3 weeks. Took a week to learn up to 1K all green. He made 1.5K all green, started with 250. So you can start with anything. I'm up almost 2K. Still holding shop. Honey Drip is legit. All right, that's what's up. Let's see. When we gonna do a call in like Dave Ramsey? You right, bro. Thank you, bro. I've been goddamn waiting on that. I'm gonna set that up, believe it or not. I do need to do that. I think that'll be dope. Mr. Giovanni. Who know how to set that shit up for me? I think I'll have the best call-in show because I'm a vibe. You feel me? I'm a vibe. All right, let's look at some more questions. Can you buy one share from Lulu and make money? Come on now, dude, of course. But at the end of the day, how is that, it's not going to make you a millionaire. Why would you buy one share trying to be a millionaire? You're probably going to make like $5 if it moves $5. You only make what it makes. What do you think of Disney? Let's go look at their balance sheet. Let's go find out. Let's go look at their balance sheet. Let's go look at Disney chart, and I'll tell you what I think. So the guy asked me, what do I think about Disney? So first of all, do I like their business model? I do. Disney went up, came back down. Looks like it wants to gap fill this gap, and maybe come up. Personally, if Disney comes down to this white line, to the 100, if it comes back down to 100, it looks good to me. If it comes back down to this white line right here, to the 199-ish area, that's for one. Number two, let's go look at their balance sheet. Let's go see if they're a profitable company. Let's go Yahoo Finance. Y'all know what time it is. If you're on Stock Sundays, then you know what's going on. So we're going to go to Yahoo Finance. And then we're going to go to financials right here on Disney. And then we're going to zoom out and we're going to look at these guys' financials. So Disney is net profitable, and they made $3 billion in 2022. They had a net loss of $2 billion because of COVID. 2020 coming back again, probably made some investments. Trailing 12 months, TTM, they're on a downward trajectory right now, so that could explain why they're not going parabolic, because technically they're not. And then they lost, add 3 zeros to that, $2 million, which ain't bad. That's small shit to a giant. So last quarter they were down $2 million, which is crazy because goddamn, I got the same money as Disney. Disney, y'all broke as fuck. Hey, we generating Disney profits. But I made more money than Disney last quarter. But anyways, man, but yeah, tell Mickey Mouse get his money up. You know what I mean? This shit different over here. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's answer some more questions. Tell that boy Mickey Mouse get his money up. I don't even gotta see. Hey, look, Disney just gotta get their funds up, man. That's all this is. Big bank take little bank. So let's keep going. What is your rule for entering swings on a dip, and what indicators do you rely on the most? Or whoever this guy is, don't goddamn play. Whoever Lorenzo Milton Jones Jr. One thing I can say about you, you got to be the only child. This boy spammed every question. He's got to be seen. You get what I'm saying? And if you don't answer, he gonna spam. But anyway, Mr. Only Child, since you take no for an answer, I use the RSI the most to buy the dip. The RSI, Relative Strength Index. So this indicator right here, the one right here, you see this? This green one, it's called the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Oops, my fault, I didn't sell it. Here you go. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, would be my favorite dip buying indicator. So everybody needs an oversold indicator. That's one thing everybody needs. So whether you're using the stochastics indicator or the RSI, I personally prefer the RSI. Though that's my favorite. The RSI made me more money than any indicator ever. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm an old school guy. I don't believe in using them TTM squeezes and all that bullshit. I mean, I don't even want to curse on here, but I ain't on that, man. All them little, you know how y'all be talking about these indicators that's supposed to make you buy the dip and do all that? That shit is cap. I'm letting y'all know all that. Don't believe anything people say if they trying to sell you some secret trading indicator that's supposed to buy the dip for you and all that. That is all cap. These things don't exist. The only way to trade is the regular way, the way I'm showing you on Stock Sundays. If you get caught up into some bullshit like that, you will lose a lot of money and you will be pretty much asking, whatever. Talk about blown accounts and revenge trading. All right, so, don't blow your account, you feel me? At the end of the day, like, I'll say this. Blowing your account means you have what is called improper risk management, okay? That's all that means. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean nothing more, nothing less. You have what is called improper risk management. So let's just say you got 1,000 and you blow the whole 1,000. You were not supposed to use the whole 1,000 on one trade. You were not even supposed to use $500 if you got a $1,000 account. You should be using at least $200 at a time, 20% maximum. Never ever risk more than 20% of your account on any trade, okay? So you got to learn percentages. Never ever throw in more, because you need at least 80% on hand to get back in the fight. And even with that 20% you risk, you shouldn't even be trying to lose 50% of that. So risk management is how you stay in the fight. If you don't learn a risk management plan, you will lose money in trading. Risk management is actually the most important part of trading. It is the #1 rule of trading. It is not number 2. Everybody believes it's the setup, the second part. But even if you have a great setup, let's just say you got a great setup, right? And you decide to put your whole account in that great setup. So because you didn't use risk management, now you have to bag hold this one stock when you should be trying to spread the love out. Because you use this, you put your money into this one stock, then you put your money into the other stock. So one might be doing good and the other one could be doing bad, but the good one could offset the losses of the other one while the losses come back to catch up. Just like we did in our chat. We got in Starbucks, which went crazy. And then we got in AMD, which went crazy. And then AbbVie was down and Intel was down. While we waited for Intel and AbbVie to catch up, Starbucks and AMD took off. And now AbbVie and Intel caught up. You get what I'm saying? So if we would have put all our chips into AbbVie, then we wouldn't have room for Starbucks and AMD. You see what I'm saying? So you always want to use room and use risk management so you can get into multiple stocks, if that makes sense. So yeah. I've been in Honey Drip for 3 years now. I wouldn't trade it for the world. Big facts. But yeah, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy Aristotle. How long we been on it? Stock Sundays we've been on for 40 minutes. So yeah, folks, y'all got any more questions? When day trading, do you know how much to be in a drawdown stop loss? So for stop losses, swings, I use a 50% drawdown, but honestly, for swings nowadays, I have a fuck it stop loss. It's either I win or I don't with swings. And believe it or not, that mentality has made me a lot of money. Because now I have the mentality of, for instance, we were down 70% on AbbVie, and now we up 40%. So really, I usually be having a 50% stop loss. But now, I just, hey, it is what it is. I play what I'm willing to lose. I put in 5. It's either I make 5 or I lose 5. But I'm going on to the next trade. You get what I'm saying? That's the type of person I am nowadays. I'm just letting you know how I rock. I don't play what I'm not willing to lose. I put in 5,000, that means I could lose 5,000. But I win so much that I'm comfortable with my strategy to be able to have this type of style of risk management. You get what I'm saying? Now with day trading, you must have a stop loss. I ain't gonna lie to you. With day trading, yes, you got to have a stop loss because you're trading weeklies. So day trading, I be having like a 30% because you're scalping. Your whole objective is to get 10, 15%. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. Do you prefer swing trading? Yes, I do. But yeah, it's too easy, folks. Other than buying the dip, RSI method, all of that. How much for your monthly signals? 125. We got 1,700 people on YouTube and we got 500 people on IG Live. Right now we got we got a lot of people. 500 on IG Live, 1,700 on YouTube. That is a lot of eyes. Shout out to everybody who watching Stock Sundays. Right now we zoned out asking questions. My boy has a $45 a week class of honey drip. So I don't have a $45 a week class, but you know, I don't know where he's getting that from. But if he is trying to make money off honey drip, then he needs to go to the read first. Remember this, dude. I say this all the time. It's not zooming in no more. But go to my chat. Go to the read first if you are a new person. Tell him to go to the read first. Follow the 6 steps. It's that easy for anybody who joins. Go to the read first and buy the welcome channel. As soon as you come in, read first, buy the welcome channel, and then follow the 6 steps. It is that simple for anybody who wants to come in and learn. I had to make it simple. It's 6 steps, folks. That's it. If you do that, you good. You good. Trust me. Trust me, folks. What are your RSI settings? I use my default RSI settings for the person who asked. I use my default RSI settings. He did the read, but he still lost. What does he want me to do? Take the trades for him? Take the mentorship. Tell him spend $1,200 on the mentorship. There's what can we do? He did not do the read first. That he can't have, because if 10,000 people were able to complete this and be able to, you know what I'm saying? What you guys want is for me to come and know. Then you have to pay for a mentorship. If you can't figure out the read first, then trading isn't for you. Everyone else could. 10,000 people figured it out. You can't convince me he can't read. What resources do you use when scalping? TradingView. TradingView is the resources we use. And then what is called Active Trader. You have to log in through Thinkorswim. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. This concludes Stock Sundays. God bless you guys. Tap in, Honey Drip. We ain't playing. We got some classes. We got everything going on. We got pre-market watch list. Follow the day trades. Everything. God bless everybody, and we out.